In this video, you'll learn how to access the Binance Market Movers feature. This guide provides a clear path to navigate Binance and utilize the market movers for informed trading decisions. Begin by visiting the Binance website and logging into your account. Once you are logged in, locate the main menu at the top of the screen. Here, find and click on the Markets section. This area contains various categories like top gainers and top losers. It is essential to ensure that you are viewing the correct market types, such as spot. This action directs you to the active market movements, allowing you to quickly identify potential trading opportunities. After accessing the market section, take time to analyze the movers displayed. Look closely at the percentage changes for each asset over the last 24 hours. It is also important to check the trading volume associated with these movements, as this confirms the strength of the price changes. Caution is advised. Avoid making impulsive trades based on extreme moves without further confirmation. For a deeper analysis, click on individual coins to view their specific charts. Comparing short and long time frames can provide additional context. If you find certain coins of interest, consider adding them to your watch list for easier tracking. This careful analysis helps prevent impulsive trading decisions. Next, utilize the market movers as a starting point for your research rather than a source of hype. Investigate any news or announcements that may explain significant price movements. It is crucial to avoid entering trades solely based on the rankings of these assets. Confirm your trading setups by using charts and volume data. Regularly tracking these market movers will help you understand emerging patterns and learn which signals are more reliable. This approach turns market movers into valuable tools for gaining insights. Throughout your trading journey, remember to keep an eye on your internet connection and the speed of uploads, especially when dealing with large transactions or data. Slow internet may affect your ability to react swiftly to market changes. Additionally, check your available storage if you plan to download any reports or historical data from Binance. Ensuring you have enough space can prevent interruptions in your research. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.